Hi friends, welcome to BSF Farming India, and this is Srikanth. Now today I will explain the starting stage of BSF farming. So the X stage. Before that I would like to thank all the people who are supporting me in YouTube, Facebook, and giving more replays in YouTube, and following me and subscribing to my channel. And thanks for the subscriptions, and do subscribe my channel for more videos and updates on BSF farming. So this is my cage, love cage. Is having three tube lights. So you can see there is some blinking is coming due to camera issue. So currently I am having this many flies. So I'm checking inside the love cage, so how actually it is working. So we can go to there, and how I am collecting the eggs is, so this is one thing that will smell too much. So by using this smell, they will come and they will lay the eggs in this strips. We can see one minute. So I am taking one thing. So we can see here, so how they are laying eggs. So you can see, so where is we are having eggs. 1 minute. My method of taking eggs may be different, but I have practiced and I have got some good result to got the eggs. So what I will do is, first I will release the bunch, and I will take each strip and I will check with my eye whether there is any eggs are there or not. So after checking, if I found something like here you can see, so in this row there is a egg, there is a bunch of eggs are there, so that is we can call as a cluster. So what I do is I cut into this two vertical spaces. This is a way of cutting. So cutting was done. Okay, so now I am taking this. So this strip is now free. So there is no eggs in these strips. So this is the one I have got. So what I will do is, carefully I am taking the eggs. So you can see there is evidence of eggs. You can see here now. So these are the eggs. So to hatch the eggs, I am researching and I am checking with two possibilities. First possibility is, directly I am taking this strip and I am putting into some place. That is one thing. And second thing is, I am taking these eggs and spreading in some net. So these are the two ways I am checking today. So you can see here, this is the one. I am taking the eggs and just putting here. You can see here now, there are a number of eggs are there. And another one is I have already done. So I have taken the eggs and I spread here. So these are the two things I am doing. So and I will be checking in which case the laying of eggs is more or hatching of eggs is very good. So I will let it test. So you can see I'm having rice bran here on bottom of this eggs. So if eggs was hatched, then it will directly going into the bait, and they will eat and they will start growing. So this is my idea. And one another is to not to escape from our tub. I am putting rice bran in the edges so that there will be no escape. This is the one I am doing. So I have already taken so many eggs. So now I am taking for you another bunch of eggs. Let us wait. And I am checking the strips. So the strips are look like this only. We can see the strips now. So what I will do is I will check again. Is there any anything? Are there any big any big cluster is there, I am checking. So I found a big cluster. So this cluster is having too many eggs. So you can see here now. So this is a cluster. So what I am doing is vertically I am cutting one time and I am checking, and I am cutting another time. This is one thing I am doing, and this I have taken. After that, and I am just removing this. So for the sake, what I am doing is I am not losing this eggs also. So what I will do is I will cut this eggs. I will cut this strip, and I am putting this also for hatching. So you can see here, this is one best economical way, and I am trying. So if you are having any improvisations or any suggestions, you can directly comment into my YouTube. Don't comment into any Facebook or something. You can directly going into the link and go into YouTube. You can comment there. I have got another one. So I am cutting these things. So I got this. And carefully I am taking. So you can see here now. So I am not losing these eggs also. I am putting these also for the So I am collecting the eggs and I am putting it for hatching. So there may be the chance that we will be getting the eggs hatched within 2 to 3 days. So this is one bunch I have taken by the spreading eggs, and then I am having another bunch also. This is another bunch. There what I have did is I put all the used strips with having low count of eggs, and I am putting here, and this is one net iron mesh. So if we are putting iron mesh, if our bait is wet also, there will be no issue to our eggs. If any water is lying on directly eggs, the eggs will be damaged. That is the main reason, so that eggs should not be having any water, and it should not be contacted with any water. Larva can have any water, but eggs should not be having any water. So this is one bunch, and this is another one bunch. So these are the two bunches I am doing for the eggs. This is my initial level. My ultimate goal is to do all this process in industrial level. For industrial level making, I wanted to explore myself into different types of things, different possibilities, so that I can make these things into some certain unique solutions. Then after we will be getting. So this is another thing. These are my larvas. So I have given them so much food. That food I am just hesitated to give them food, because daily I am giving 1 kg, they are eating, 1 kg they are eating, they are eating. And finally I am only struggling to give them food, but they are eating very easily. So yesterday I have given them some half kg of rice, normal eatable rice that we are eating now. So yesterday I have not eaten, so I have given to them. Then today the half kg became like this. Only one day, half kg rice. Before one day half kg rice. After one day you can see some 50 grams only there. So you can see here there is a nice size I am getting. And some person has asked me how not to get the smell, because I am doing inside my home. No smell is coming, and these are looking very good. So what are your key points to make for not going any smell? I will be making a video further how not to have a smell in your farm or in your area, or what are the key points we have to consider. And you can see I will show you one another thing. After eating from them, So I will take the food strips into here. So these are the dry food strips. These will not smell. This is one of the idea that I am having, not to have any smell. You can see now this is not a paper. They have eaten watermelon. The watermelon outside things is became like a paper. You can see now. You can see the color. This is one of the watermelon, and this is a muskmelon. And this is also watermelon. You can check now. You can identify by using this. So watermelon became paper. Like that they are eating. All of this is almost 10 kg of. This is a 10 to 15 kg of tomato. But they have eaten now that is become 100 grams right now after dry. So eating capability of this larvas is too much high. And we can make this by using without any smell also. So that I will be posting another video. And today video is most probably about how I am taking the eggs in a way that is very easy to me. If you are like my video, you can subscribe my channel and support me in YouTube, Facebook, and follow me and subscribe me. And provide your valuable comments in the comment box in YouTube so that I will be giving you reply as much as possible. And thank you for watching my video.